Hi Crystal, so this is day 4 of oil pastel tutorial, and today I will be talking about still life drawing. Okay, so still life drawing is very unique drawing and it's very easy also. So considering I would tell you 3 points, definitely there are more than that, but in my beginner tutorial I would just focus on 3 points, and that is very basic but very important. The first one is leveling or equaling all sides. The second is consideration of light. And the third point is choose correct shades for any particular thing or all the still life products which we are going to use. So these 3 points are very important, and you must think about it and experiment about it, like practice about it. Okay, so the first point, as I told you, is leveling or equaling all the sides. Is whenever you're going to make any still life, I would just give you a demo. First of all, you need to make these basic sketch with the help of pencil, of course. And like whenever you're making anything like bucket, earthen pots, or bottle, anything, first of all you have to start with the top, then just divide it into two parts, and then with the help of that divider you can actually make anything in equal proportion and with the same size. Like as I am making this bucket, if there would be any problem I can just fix it and I would come to know what is problem there. And similarly you can just make some other fruits or vegetables beside this bucket or mug, and you can just have to remember the right frame order. Like you cannot make anything like whenever whatever the way you want it. No, it should be in a perfect way that it look good also, and there should be a little bit sense to it. It should be not like you're making anything randomly everywhere. So you have to make sure about that. The second thing which I was talking about is lightening. You have to make sure where the light is coming, and you have to make like that only. So here I had made the earthen pot. As you can see, I had shown this light. So the circle which I did is the light part. So if lightning is there, you have to make sure that you have to fulfill that thing. And for that you don't need to just leave that place. You actually have to use white oil pastels also. Like here I am using some pastels, like red, medium yellow, and a little bit orange and lemon yellow. So you have to make sure to cover that position with the help of oil pastels like white, so that it can look natural and also good. Now the lightning is done, like you had figured out where is lightning actually occurring. So you have to make sure the inside part also, like if the lightning is right side, then inside part of that particular thing, like any object, would be like vice versa. If the right side is lightning, then left side would be inside of that particular thing. So you have to make sure, like here I am drawing. So what I did, the lightning was actually in the right side, but I did in left side inside of that earthen pot. And then you can just outline it with some pencil or black oil pastel, and you can just make background little bit good. So the second point is also completed. Now the third point is very important and very common, that you have to make sure to choose the right color for anything. Like if you're making earthen pots and you don't have many color to just make it, so for that I would recommend you to go for with minimum shades. You can actually create some colors with the help of oil pastel that you also don't have, but you will certainly make it. So here for earthen pot, like I am going to use only three color: black, brown, and yellow ochre. And I will just mix it with little bit smudge and all. And here you will certainly find that I actually made two more colors with the help of blending. So here black, dark brown, brown, a little bit mix of yellow ochre and brown, and then yellow ochre. Five shades had been created in this with the help of only three colors. So with the help of minimum shades, you can actually make more colors if you don't have them. But if you have, then that's totally good. So here I would explain you more about it with the help of this painting. So I would give you a example of oil pastel, still life oil pastel tutorial with the help of this drawing. Now I had used these different shades of green. So I have used light green, I have used deep green, and also I have used sap green. You know what? Sap green and some of shades of green, like the earthy shades, are one of my favorite shades that I often use a lot. If I don't have to use it also not, then also I will use it certainly in a way, in a different way, because it give richness and also it give, some realistic feel to it. The all the earthy colors definitely help us to make our painting or art drawings of oil pastels and all super good. So that's why I often use it. So here I actually made it. Now here light was on two sides, like the first side is of course what you are watching right now, but behind that darker green or sap green is also where a little bit a thin line of light was there. So I definitely tried to show it, and I will show you how to just finish it all. So I'm still trying, and I hope you will love it. Now this is uh any bottle or what, I don't know. It's, I think it's a vase or it's a bottle. I don't know. Like I got this from Pinterest, of course. The reference was from Pinterest. I often use it, and you can actually go for different types of references. I would certainly show you some reference that is not made by me but somebody else in last. And also I will show you my two three more paintings, or you can say a drawing. Sorry that I have told you painting, like it's my actual thing. Paintings are my actual thing, so I definitely use this word so commonly, so sorry for that. Now I'll definitely show you my two drawings of oil pastel, or like two coloring of oil pastel, that is I had made like a month ago, and I definitely put shots of it on my channel. So I would just show you image of that two drawings, and yeah, I will show you some other references from Pinterest also. If I'm able to, I will put in between only, in the between of this video only, because that would be much more okay. You will certainly know how to draw those things, and you will eventually come to know about it. Now there is this thing that you have to make sure. If you are a beginner for oil pastel coloring, you have to make sure to buy simple books, or just make your own book. Like you can get many videos from YouTube. You can actually do that, but some or little things, if you have anything in a form of hard copy, like in a form of book or and all, it would be great help for you. Like this is a very common in Maharashtra, in Mumbai. But if you are out of the India, like if you are out of my country, you can just go and search some simple and cheap books that give us little details and not too much, and you can also get some references from those books, and you can actually try to make them. Okay. But if you don't need them, that's totally okay. You can actually just start with first pencil sketching and all, first of all, because that is very important. If you will make basic structure properly, you can actually make your oil pastel coloring more good than before. Also, make sure to practice at least 10 minutes daily. That is a very important tip for you all. And what you all have to practice is basic sketching with whatever you're doing. Like if you're interested in uh, basic still life, if you're into nature drawing and all, also you have to make sure to practice those things. Oh yeah, if you really like my video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I